Well, hey everybody, it's your good buddy Sid here, and I'm standing in front of Benelli Thane showroom. This motorcycle, as you can see here, is Kiwe K300R. It is a super sport motorcycle, 300cc, single cylinder, and it looks absolutely cool. From all angles, this motorcycle looks something else. Sorry about the sound because of the heavy traffic in this area, but it comes with split seat configuration. This is a rider seat and this is a pillion seat. Many cool aspects this motorcycle already has. For example, this mono suspension. Here are nice telescopic forks here. The disc size is very good, big, and it also comes with ABS, dual channel ABS as standard. So very nice. 110 by 70 by 17 road spec tires. You can also opt for wider tire if you wish, but for the performance figure this motorcycle comes with this price, I don't have any problem with having this tire. Some people say it is a little smaller, but it will give you better fuel economy and better time at drag. Lovely part of this motorcycle is this: there is an open gap here in the tail section that helps with aerodynamics, and entire theme of this motorcycle is aerodynamically active. For example, look, the airflow management from this part, from these cuttings, and this fully faired nature of this motorcycle helps to go with even more speed. This motorcycle can run very fast. For 300cc, this motorcycle has lot of presence. Absolutely amazing presence this motorcycle has, especially with the front side. Just have a look at this. Plus, as you can see, the headlight is absolutely cool. If we put this motorcycle headlights on, this motorcycle looks absolutely spot on. For 300cc, this motorcycle looks absolutely like super bike, and there is no comparison in look departments when it comes to Kiwe K300R. Let me show you the speedometer. It is fully digital unit. All the information you can get here. For example, here is a rev counter, then gear selector, gear position indicator, clock, plus also odometer is there. Your main speed is showing up here, fuel range is there, plus there are many other things. You can also adjust this speedometer with help of these two buttons. Plus there are mode selector also here. Dual tone nature of this paint, especially with carbon fiber style effect, it looks absolutely cool and very satisfying motorcycle to see. Even I am looking to buy this motorcycle because the way it looks. Just showing you quick spin because I just want to see the riding posture and position. So it is started, and it is a nicely sounding motorcycle actually. Just have a look at this shadow. I sit on a fully committed riding position. So that is the beauty of this motorcycle. It feels like a Ninja 300 or RC 390 kind of that kind of stuff, but quite nice motorcycle indeed. So yes, taking back to base. Pretty quick too, so I am not going to ride it fast because it is a new motorcycle, but yes, pretty impressive this motorcycle is. If you want something different from KTM and others, then you can definitely consider buying this motorcycle. So, carefully does this. So I am impressed with the fit and finish and quality of this motorcycle. So big thumbs up for Keeway K300R. Awesome machine. That's it. If you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. Just let me show you. See, it is very small signal indicator, but it is so bright. So that is the thing I like about this motorcycle. The appearance of this motorcycle is way more than 300cc bike. You can take any 300cc bike, naked one, and park alongside this motorcycle